repository for the school district that had shut down, almost burned down. ANSYS Construction Chief Rich Bardelli was pretty much locked down for years.
There were trees growing in this building. There was water in here. People would sneak in the basement because the water was filled in the basement. And it was so calm down there. They had hockey leagues down there, snuck in here.
They've now pumped out the water, redone the infrastructure, and put in a huge skylight in the middle of the roof.
We have a great atrium space that lets in a lot of daylight, not only as we wanted to make sure we had daylight on the exterior of the building coming in, but right through the middle of the core of the building.
This building will house the kind of facilities for hands-on work, building parts and prototypes for the mobility of the future. With the Core Chronicles, I'm Jeff Gilbert, WWJ. Ready to go.